Hey, hello, welcome back to my channel Stocks Babu. On 14th November, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited has announced their quarterly reports, and let's check it out how they performed for this quarter. And here, all the figures were given in millions. So, for our better understanding, I will let you know in crores. And to begin with, the revenue from operations for September 2024, they made 3,433 crores, whereas for June 3,244 crores on last year September 2023, the total revenue from operations is 3,207 crores. So here clearly year on year and quarter on quarter, the revenue from operations has been increased steadily. And when it comes to the total expenses made by the company for September 2023, they made 3,000 crores, and for June 2,813 crores. And last year September, the total expenses incurred by the company is 3,008 crores. So here year on year there is no much difference in terms of expenses, but quarter on quarter it has been increased slightly. And when it comes to the total net profit for the period or PAT, they made 350 crores for September 2024, and for June 340 crores, whereas last year September they made losses of nearly 61.562 crores. So here clearly year on year we can see a tremendous growth in terms of net profit, but quarter on quarter a slight increase can be noted. And when it comes to the earnings per share, the diluted EPS stood at 12.55 for September 2024, whereas for June 12.06, and last year September, the diluted EPS is minus 2.90. So here year on year we can see a huge increase in the earnings per share, but quarter on quarter a slight marginal growth can be seen. Overall, the revenue growth increased by 7.1% year on year to 3,433 crores, driven by strong sales in India and Europe. However, the North American revenues declined by 1.2%. And profit recovery. So the company posted a net profit of 354.5 crores compared a loss of nearly 61.6 crores in last year. This rebound was aided by higher operating income, reducing financial cost and lower taxes. When it comes to EBITDA performance, EBITDA grown by 30.2% to 601 crores with a margin expanding to 17.5% from 14.4 last year. When it comes to segment performance, sales rose 13.9% year on year to 1,281 crores. And in European revenue increased by 14.6% year on year to 687 crores, but North American revenue dipped slightly, attributed to lower demand for certain products. Strategic development by Glenmark launched 4 new products and filed one ANDA, abbreviated New Drug Application, we call it as, in North America during the quarter. It continues to focus on high priority therapeutics areas and innovation to address unmet medical needs. Despite the robust performance, the company faced slight investor skepticism, with shares dipping marginally from the results. So, this is all about Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited. Thank you.